Hello, this is Neo with Go to Auto Repair. Is your car experiencing clunking as you go over bumps? And you're probably thinking it might be your shocks or your struts. Well, not so fast. It might actually be your stabilizer end links. This little guy is notorious for going bad. And what happens is these joints become loose, and as your shocks move around, it starts clunking. I'm gonna basically zoom in and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. And these are relatively inexpensive to replace and can be done in under an hour. So let's get a closer look. So this is your sway bar. This thing extends all the way to the other side of the vehicle. It is also known as your stabilizer bar. If you look here, you'll see that it's connected to this end link. And this end link goes all the way to your shock. Basically, this is your strut. Now I'm going to show you what happens when this thing becomes worn. So to check these stabilizer end links, the first thing you have to make sure of is that the vehicle is lifted and the weight is off of them, off of this sway bar or the stabilizer bar. Now, once you get it lifted, you simply start prying under the stabilizer bar and see what happens. Now keep in mind, I'm simply using little force right now. Now imagine the whole weight of the vehicle bouncing around as you go over bumps. That sound becomes even more pronounced and more obnoxious. Now I'm going to show you what exactly I'm doing to simulate this. Let me get that light out of the way. See that bar that I have under the sway bar? Now we start the repair process. Usually these things start spinning if you try to open the nut. So you want some vice grips to hold it from the rear and you zip it out. Now we're ready to take the bottom nut off, which connects the end link to the stabilizer bar. But as you can see, I have a lot of leverage here. Well, first because I got that lift, and second, I loosened the other end. When you do that, it becomes easier to move the stabilizer bar around and have better access to these nuts. Excuse me. Your new stabilizer bar might have Zerk fittings on them. I find that it's best to actually go ahead and grease them before you put them on the vehicle. It's because you have better access. And that's what I've done. And now we're ready to put them on. Both stabilizer bar end links have been installed, and the clunk on this vehicle should go away. Here at Go to Auto Repair, we offer a free brake and suspension check. If you live in the Metro Detroit area, feel free to stop by and we'll check your car out. Thank you for watching.